How do you test your furniture plans and purchases before you commit? Let's talk. I'm Doug Walker, and this is Roominess. This is the end of our pop quiz week on Roominess. Check out the other 3 episodes if you missed them. And this week only, you can get my ebooks on Roominess.tv for a special price of 99 cents. Have a look for RoominessTV on Instagram for daily Pop Quiz Week questions related to the videos. Click the subscribe button for more bite-sized decor tips. I see a lot of questions from readers in online forums who are just unsure of how something will look and want a second opinion. I hope they talked to someone else. Now, I'm all for getting a second opinion and learning from other people's experiences, but many times you can try out your ideas before you commit. Here are some examples. One commenter had 2 sofas in her living room facing each other. She wanted to know whether a sectional would look good in her room. I suggested that she take her 2 existing sofas and move them into the sectional position that she envisioned and see how she liked it. Another reader wanted to purchase a Murphy bed wall unit so that he could use the floor space in his guest room for exercise, yoga, and other activities when he didn't have guests. Now, I'm all for better utilizing your space, but I also know that just having space for an activity doesn't mean you'll necessarily do it. I suggested that he test the idea before he purchased any furniture. Just take apart the bed and lean the mattress and box springs against the wall. Then he could see how often he uses the space for exercise and yoga. He could gauge his decision on buying new furniture based on whether he used the space the way he anticipated. Where to hang art is an often repeated question. My go-to technique is to cut out or tape together newspaper with painter's tape, so it's the size of your art. Then tape the newspaper to the wall in the place where you think the art will go. This saved me a big mistake once when I almost forgot that I was going to hang a piece of abstract art vertically rather than horizontally. See? This guy doesn't even respect artistic intent. What a sham! A slightly different situation was a reader who wanted to know where best to put a vertical mirror in her space to maximize the window light in her room. I gave her a couple of suggestions, but I also recommended that she simply take the mirror and set it on the floor in a couple of positions around the room to get an idea of how the reflection would be before she decided where to hang it. Do you have a furniture dilemma that you can't quite envision? Leave me a comment below. You can find the rest of the Pop Quiz Week questions and answers on Facebook, YouTube, and over at Roominess.tv. Thanks for watching.